Dear student of class 4, today we are going to start a new chapter in computer, chapter 2, computer memory. Before going to start the reading of this chapter, I give you a description short description of computer memory. Computer memory is the space in computer storage where we save our work after completing it or while we are working. Whatever work we do, that will be saved in this memory. Memory can be of two types: internal memory and external memory, or we can say primary memory or secondary memory. This we will discuss after reading of this chapter. Now let's read this chapter. Inside a computer there are different storage areas where it keeps data permanently or temporarily. While working on the data to produce the required output, this storage area is known as the memory of the computer. Memory is a major part of a computer. It is similar to a human brain. Data storage. A computer processes the input data and store the output data in the form of 0 and 1, which is called binary digit or bit. These bits are carried by electronic circuit and stored on chips. These chips reside inside the motherboard of a computer. Unit of memory. Bit is the smallest unit of information which a computer can process and store. The information in computer is stored in the form of bit and byte. Now with this diagram you can see data can be stored in form of bit, byte and other unit. A group bit is the smallest unit. A group of 4 bit is called a nibble and a group of 8 bit is called a byte. Now the chart, through this chart you can see the units of computer memory. 1 kilobyte is equal to 1024 byte. 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobyte. 1 gigabyte is equal to 1024 megabyte. 1 terabyte is equal to 1024 gigabyte and 1 petabyte is equal to 1024 terabyte. Now types of memory. The memory of the computer is divided into two categories. They are primary memory, secondary memory. As shown with the diagram, memory can be divided in two parts: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory further divided in RAM, ROM, and secondary memory further divided in hard disk drive, CD, DVD and pen drive. Now primary memory. Primary memory is the main memory of the computer. It temporarily stores data. It holds only those data on which computer is currently working. Primary memory is directly accessed by the CPU of a computer. It has limited storage capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. There are two types of primary memory. They are RAM, random access memory; ROM, read only memory. Random access memory. RAM. Random access memory (RAM) is a type of primary memory that is generally located on the motherboard. It is used for storing data, program and program result. It is a read and write memory. It is temporarily stored data. The data get erased as soon as the computer is turned off. RAM is further divided into two categories. They are static RAM (SRAM) or dynamic RAM (DRAM). Static RAM SS memory. Static RAM retains stored information as long as power supply is on. It is expensive and consumes more power. It has higher speed than dynamic RAM. Now this is about the reading of some pages. In next turn I will explain these topics till you read this chapter with the help of this video once or twice. Thank you.